Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Harmalim bringing to the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Khasi Hills Autonomous District Khasi Inheritance Property Bill introduced in autumn session of KHADC. Belfont Community College Centres has opened the agro-based food processing industry and computer centre to encourage the local entrepreneurs. The Tirso Women's Welfare Association Protection Society will organize the Amur Falcon Festival and Meghalaya SSA Teachers Association to observe protest rally tomorrow. And now the news in detail. The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Khasi Inheritance Property Bill was introduced on the first day of the autumn session of the Khasi Autonomous District Council today. The bill was introduced by the Chief Executive Member of the Council, Tito Starwal Khan. The introduction of the bill was accepted without any opposition.
Family settlement family declaration. Kajitu galong bagi kami pa kindon ke kamon kabalai lu. Mudai ba enforce noi kali kamon kabalai lu. Bangsa mi bicara kita kiklam dapat kan bawan aibet tangi yang terpun kan. Ni tangi terpun. Ndai la mi pa kimon. Mudai ba ong ba kidiban aibet. Ndai la mi pa kimon. Ba kayin kasem kaya bek jingmut. Laku panai buat ikun semua. Mensua yang kaman light dulu. Jom kami pa lakha. Hapan ai be tangga satu lani tangga. Lembaga yang kabel kami pa kinyo yang kaman light dulu. Ban ai penkam lani ban ai be. Ya baru kikun ketai, kikun semua. Kata ada kikun joget kebel. Kiyem badan kun sembilan pat. Badan kun sembilan sudah. Kiba kiyem kiwan kini. Ya kebahan pada yak ni kiba. Kikun sembilan bukti kiba kiba pat. Kiba tep kiba tang. Kiba pek kiba sumar. Kimyo ie. Nama bawan kemino de kitente kibade kimen para aku. Kemudian itu kimi pa kibamdan pun kete. Kedun pun tak pun serang. Kalau juga pun se. Ba ikun serang ki haban mino. Wan no kuruk de kikun ya kejingran yang baik. Dan rei lembaga yang kebel dapat. Kilongin kepada tangki pun serang kit sudah kin singan kin sumar kin suker kini kepada kini kepada kin muslaisu nama la aibor kini kepada ban ai yang kawil dan yang pentau wat kini.
The Belfont Community College at Lumshiap, Golf Link, Shillong has opened the agro-based food processing industry and computer centre to encourage the local entrepreneurs who are interested to start their own business ventures. These centres were opened by member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Pinchingan NSAIM, as the chief guest in the presence of Executive Officer of Khadi and Village Industries Commission, Josephine Zodin-Pui.
I can answer on the sister Helen, but start a new team. But my, no, simply on just look at a new team. No, Captain Saya, you haven't mentioned but my belong unique, belong compare. Naga kita ini sekian ni, kita sudah dari Cosmo, micro, biz, industry. Naga ibarat ni apa sebut dia ni. Berkemudian, takkan kan banglong syikiade. Dari ban sudah tangder hukum. Di ban syikian, bahaya juga problem. Ini bertemu apa? Ini big industries kan? You have a small kind of cooperative society there. They find there. They become big industry. Di ba piro da istani small industry of the year. Kaya ina hawa report bisa. Kepada pihak orang kita mau tangani gawe. Hindi man dispat ni lagi. Bantu pendispat ni gawe mo. Nah, syuting bang, we are in a generation where so much self-centeredness. We want everything to a family for a personal benefit, not for a free society. Yang ada ni bukan hamroi, long yang I come nanti kau. Kaji ni kalau kita penbon di nong tray, ya kenang bagai kau benefit yang kita lihat mesti bah, no pati.
The Tirso Women's Welfare Association, in collaboration with Tirso Valley Wildlife Protection Society, will organize the Amur Falcon Festival on the 12th and 13th of this month at Umtangam village in Riboy district. The festival aims to create an awareness among the public not to kill the Siberian migratory birds that visit Riboy district every year during the autumn season.
Ngi na liang Tirso Valley Wildlife Protection Society, kadai kawai ka NGOs kaba yada ya ki sim ya ki mrat ki mreng ki dok kha dok pnat kham tam ha ki thain Tirso bro away te menta ngi ya thu ep bat ngi priang sumphai ep ya we pai bat nong snong jong kame khalia bat sabaru phila won pai kai ni ki sim ha ka ba menta la artio tam e ki sa sa ki thain Tirso umru te ngi kerpat ro ya ki pai kai kim dei man penthut ya ki sim kham tam mon ra ikjar jing thei kum ki bombula ne putar jri phila bon ra ki video kamera phi phila ban ring ban tan rei kerpat phi phim dei ban penthut ya ki kan dem jki ni phila ban rung sya ka ne ka jaka na du opor sau bu je janmit man la ka sngi bat ka por san tam e ki ne ki sim la ban dem no agi ne ki jaka ka ji he yo ki jaka kumara daki pho akar bat kejing internet kejing wan yang sim pin sawan pek ba pin sakhi lo jong ki khamat te na liang jong Tirso Valley ni kenturu ya ki pai ba nong song snong phla wan pe kai lak ki hun ba fer.
Dear viewers, let us now take a short break. Welcome back. We'll continue with the remaining news. The Jaintia Students' Union today strongly criticized the Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma of failing to impress upon the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the need to implement the inner line permit in Meghalaya. Speaking at the facilitation program of students at Jiwai District Library, the President of Jaintia Students' Union, Trebor R. Suchan, spoke on the unwillingness of the Chief Minister to implement the inner line permit in the state.
Ngayo sa Puram, yung MP yung Rajya Sabha, manlaw President Puram yung JSU, waong haga dorbar yung Rajya Sabha, dawan rau yaga JGlam yaga ILP. Harga siang ko widon di pen kamput kunmo. Ladaw Prime Minister yung hari India, uwanu hedi, hapo UCM yung iwang Puram, de chomu Ciruk wo Prime Minister handai sausi kenai pi EU city invitation yang benta na benta ke dengan paus dan melenyo ya ke isu yang ri bujai bro yang i ilek kami ke dengan benta ke yu wajah por dum jantia kat ni kenai pi kinong nam Jesu isa ke menseni upat kawan mut ki kena kendro kawan mut ki manjung ki wadok yang kamai ke gaji lamba kini ki dekar ki wan umbut ubunmi yang bisnes yang ki oper arja khapra ke RTI ko Rafael do present ng Puram yung Jaintia Students' Union u Kenro Jerson Sela chami ke JCDC ka kasantali ki dukan naga trade by non tribal ngaju ang reklam musa DSP lada chapi ki dekar uwan gi hagdi kari yung i ulek ki business hatopi ki nakro ng emma ko future pi yung MP naga ni ka tao yung pi सब आगे पूरे क्यों भी रम एम का contribution रम ये बुझित ये का बनता उछगरी के जाय प्रू हम तो दो हकवी का बनता हर एक प्रकार रम इस वे रम
Meghalaya SSA Teachers Association will organize a rally from Jayao Cremation Ground to Students' Field in Shillong to pressurize the state government to immediately implement the teachers' demand. Speaking to the media, the president of Meghalaya SSA Teachers Association, Aristotle Rumbai, said the rally will begin at 11 a.m. tomorrow from Jayao Cremation Ground and converge at Jayao Students' Field, and the teachers will observe their protest till 3 p.m.
Nakaliang jong Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body kami kalong kajing pentip syabaro kinohikai SSA hapo kajala Meghalaya akabayadai bat ka peaceful protest ka mass rally bat ka mass gathering ka panlong nashai kasni kata ka khandai tarik jong 9 November 2024 pentip syapi ba ka route ka bangin sedang ya ka mass rally kandai nang te na po jing thang briu Jayao bat ngin yai lang ba ka Saint Joseph nang tangin poi sa Robert Hospital nang tangin yai lang ba ka Mau Khar Main Road in poi sa Motran bat ngin penkut hapo madan student bat ngi pentip ru kandon ka meeting hang te hapo madan student bat kapor ka bangin sedang ya kami ka peaceful protest kadai nadu kapor kharbe bejemen step hadu kapor lai beje janmit bat nakaliang jongi ngi nakentu ya kinohikai SSA bakim yawan yashimenta sakani ka peaceful protest bat kumjuru kin board ya ki safety protocol ki bala ai da government hakabai dei bat COVID-19 kulish.
The Muay Thai Association of Meghalaya has organized a selection trial at Nehu Sports Complex in Shillong for participation in the National Muay Thai Seniors Male and Female Championship to be held in Imphal, Manipur from the 16th to the 20th this year. The winners of this championship will participate in another championship to be held in Thailand in March next year. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.